You know that moment. You lift the lid, smell something wrong, and realize the bottom of your pot is completely burnt. Black stains, stuck food, rock-hard mess. You scrub, you scrape, you soak. Nothing works. The pot looks ruined, and you're already thinking about throwing it away. But stop right there. What if I told you that you can remove even the worst burnt mess using just 2 simple ingredients you already have at home? No hard scrubbing, no expensive cleaners, no damage to your pot? Stay with me, because this hack works fast, and once you try it, you'll never panic over burnt pots again. Click the link in the description box to join our free cleaning community before we start. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss smart, time-saving kitchen hacks like this. Why burnt food is so hard to remove. Burnt food isn't just stuck. It's chemically bonded to the surface after intense heat. Oils carbonize, sugars harden, and proteins glue themselves to metal. That's why normal dish soap fails, and aggressive scrubbing damages your pots. The secret isn't more force. It's breaking the bond holding the burnt layer in place. The 2 ingredients that change everything. Here's the magic combo: baking soda and vinegar. Baking soda loosens and lifts burnt residue. Vinegar penetrates and breaks down hardened layers. Together, when used correctly, they attack burnt mess at the molecular level. This is why this hack works on stainless steel, aluminum, and many cookware types. The big mistake people make with this hack. Most people mix baking soda and vinegar instantly and scrub while it bubbles. That looks satisfying, but it actually reduces effectiveness. The real power comes from using them in stages, not together all at once. Timing is everything here. Step 1. Cover the burnt area. Place your burnt pot on the stove. Sprinkle a generous layer of baking soda directly over the burnt surface. Make sure the burnt area is fully covered. This is important. Baking soda needs direct contact to work properly. Step 2. Add vinegar slowly. Now pour vinegar slowly over the baking soda. You'll see fizzing. That's normal. Don't scrub. Don't rush. Let the reaction happen naturally. The fizzing helps penetrate the burnt layer and start lifting it from the pot. Step 3. Let heat do the work. Turn the stove on low heat and let the mixture warm for 5 to 10 minutes. You don't need boiling. Gentle heat is enough. Heat softens burnt residue while the baking soda and vinegar break it down. This step replaces aggressive scrubbing completely. Step 4. Wait. This is the secret part. Turn off the heat and let everything sit for another 10-15 minutes. This waiting time is what most people skip, and it's why their results aren't impressive. During this time, the burnt layer loosens and detaches on its own. Step 5. Wipe, don't scrub. Now take a soft sponge or wooden spatula and gently wipe the surface. You'll see burnt food slide off easily. No force, no scratching. If some spots remain, repeat the process once more. Never scrape aggressively. Why this works faster than scrubbing. Scrubbing fights burnt food from the outside. This hack destroys it from the inside. You're weakening the structure that holds the burnt mess together. That's why the result feels almost magical, because the work is happening chemically, not physically. What to do for extreme burnt pots? If your pot is severely burnt, repeat the process and let it sit overnight after heating. By morning, even the toughest black layers loosen dramatically. This method works on pots people thought were beyond saving. Clean smarter, not harder. If this 2-ingredient hack saved your pot and your sanity, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon for more smart, no-stress kitchen hacks. Click the link in the description box to join our free cleaning community. Share this with someone who's ready to throw away a burnt pot, because now you know better.